Hey you guys, today we're going to be building a trellis for the loofah out here in Las Vegas desert garden. Now I'm really excited and anxious to find out how these loofahs will grow out here because the variety that I have been growing for all these years is actually more rare, or it's not the common variety that you see because it grows really large and still tender to be edible. So I'm really anxious to see how it'll grow out here. And my previous episodes for growing loofahs, you guys have seen that I've used, built the trellis using the sea bites, and I really love using these clamps. It's been well over a year now. They're super durable, really holds up to the weight and, the size of that trellis. So I want to say thank you to Thriving Design for sponsoring today's episode to bring to you guys this DIY on building this trellis. Now this trellis, you can use it to grow any types of vines, like different types of gourds, beans, flowers, anything that needs to be climbing. So I'm going to be putting the trellis as like the taller trellis for the loofah, and then in front of it, it's going to be a shorter trellis that connects to the loofah trellis for the melons. The melon's going to be the French variety, so I'm hoping that it'll do okay out here before the heat actually kicks in the desert. Let me show you guys what I'll be using today for this project. Starting off, I got this 8 feet long garden stake. I'm going to use 4 of these as the post for the loofah part of the trellis, and then I got 5 feet long garden stakes, and then I got these shorter ones, which is going to be for the front part of the trellis for the melons. Then I'll be using these sea bites to connect to all the garden stakes. If you guys have not seen my previous episodes, I will link down below for you guys to check out the multiple projects that I have been building in the past using these sea bites. If you guys are interested in checking this out, be sure to use my code for free shipping. I will provide the link down below for you guys to go check out. And if you're not using sea bites, you can easily substitute these with strings or zip ties to connect everything together, but definitely I'd recommend these because they make my job so much easier and it's so durable. To connect the 8 feet and the 5 feet stakes together, I'm going to be using some cable ties. I've chosen the one that says UV resistant because it gets like well over triple digits all throughout the summer out here. But I've never used UV resistant ones, so let's just see how well it takes the heat out here. Make sure you pull it really tight. Okay, so there's one. So I basically just saw this 5 feet stake shorter to better fit the space, and then I'm just going to put these caps on to keep it from cutting me if I happen to walk by it. Also, this would prevent it from rusting. hope this episode was helpful to you, especially if you're looking for ways to prop up those heavier type of vines. Thank you to Thriving Design once again for sponsoring today's episode. If you guys want to check them out, be sure to use that link and my discount code that I will provide for you down below this video. And you want to see more content like this and to find out what I will be growing on this trellis, and believe me, it's going to be more than luffa. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button so that you'll be notified once a new video is out. If you want to connect with me through social media or my website, I will leave those links down below for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you right back here in the next video. Happy gardening. Bye guys.